Good morning, YouTube. This is Lawrence Breitenbach, and I'd like to talk about my channel this morning and what it's here for. I've been looking on YouTube for problems in modern schools, and I can tell you that if you look it up, there aren't many videos about dealing with problems in modern schools. Now, for me, that's very interesting, because as a manager in a school here in Roodepoort in South Africa, I can tell you that there's lots of problems in schools. As a senior person in the marking centers for the matrics, our grade 12s, for English, first additional language, who is involved with the assessment process every year, I can tell you that our kids are not doing well, and that the results that come out are not a true reflection of what our kids have learned. These are things that are being denied and that are not talked about in our social spheres. It's something that people are not discussing. If you go on YouTube and you really look it up, just take a minute and type in problems in schools. Doesn't matter where you look in any country, there aren't any real resources. There's videos from 9 years ago. There's professors and people who are not in classrooms who are talking about education. So I don't know what's going on, and that's why I'm here. You know, as a teacher at a secondary school, a high school, and as someone who has been all over the world, in America, the United States, specifically New York State, and in England, in the UK, I've taught there. I was there for 2 years, teaching English to the English as a Boertjie. So I've seen a few things, and I must tell you that communities are in denial about problems in schools. Yes, there are lots of excellent schools. There are brilliant schools out there, and not all of them are private schools. Many public schools, and that includes mine, I'm proud to say, are running a very tight ship, and they are performing well. But with great effort, and because of awesome management and a lot of hard work from a lot of people who really care about education. But if you go to many schools of our communities, in our communities, all over the world, not just in Africa, not just in English-speaking countries, all over the world, there are massive problems in education that people are not talking about. Parents are not talking about it. Teachers refuse to talk about it because it makes them look bad. Learners don't talk about it because, well, they do on TikTok and with each other. They complain about how fake schools are, how the syllabus sucks, as they say, and how what they're learning is old news. We know the syllabi is not up to date. I mean, if you think about AI and the way it's absolutely now becoming something that has infused all aspects of teaching, then we are very far behind. And we are better off teaching things like values and being on time and respecting one another and helping each other to learn, and teaching reading skills, basic maths, and a bit of history, because our kids don't know anything about history anymore. Then if we do that and we empower them to start looking for the right information, to help one another, to be unselfish, to be good public speakers, to be someone who enjoys talking in proper language, speaking properly, then we are going to be okay. But as far as the syllabus is concerned, and as far as a few elephants in the room, there's a lot of elephants in this room of education, is concerned, we are in deep trouble. And I'm going to talk about that on this channel. Discipline problems. Teachers are overwhelmed. The classes are too full. We have problems with teachers being underpaid. Teachers are retiring early. There's a whole generation of educators who are now in their late 50s and 60s who used to carry the system, and they are now retiring or already retired, and they are so glad that they are gone out of the system. Some of them are kind enough to come and tutor and mentor, but there's a gap. And this is why this channel exists. My plan is to teach you as a young teacher and as a parent and as a learner how to become better learners, how to improve the system, how to move forward. I'm not the ultimate expert, but I'm very passionate about education, and I'm looking forward to talking to you more about these problems and about all the challenges that we face and how we can maybe overcome them. And it's going to take a team effort. So please, there's a free ebook in the description, and you can download it. Gives you lots of tips and tricks to help you in the classroom. And there's a lot of information in there. It's a free download PDF that will guide you through my website and the services I offer and the resources that are available. So please subscribe to this channel if you're interested in talking about education and the problems we face. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.